friend, welcome to the studio. I am so excited you're here. Today we're doing two things that are super fun. Number one, I'm going to show you how to draw some different fish and a whole aquarium. And number two, I actually made two versions of this drawing so that we can play a game together. The game is called Spot the Difference. I made two different versions and there's 5 differences between each drawing. So I'm going to put up a 30-second timer and you see if you can find all 5 differences before the time runs out. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Do you see any yet? I'll give you a hint. There's someone peeking out from behind the seaweed in one picture that isn't peeking out in the other one. Speaking of seaweed, there's something else that's different about the seaweed too. Pay careful attention to the patterns and colors of the fish. Oh, time's almost up. You got this, you got this. Time's up. Did you get all of them? Did you find all 5 differences? Let's go over it in case you missed any. All right, let's see. The first thing I see is there's a starfish peeking out here that isn't in this drawing. Next, there's an extra piece of seaweed that isn't in this drawing either. This fish has stripes on its body, but this fish doesn't. The goldfish, this one has a blue tail, this one has an orange tail. And the 5th difference I think is really sneaky. I changed the colors. I inverted them on this fish, look. Oh, pink body, pink tail, green body. If you got that one, awesome job. Now that we played that game together, which was super fun, let me show you how to make your very own fish drawing. I'm gonna start by drawing a leaf shape. Next, I'll add a triangle to the back for the back fin. Some semicircles on the top and the bottom for the top and bottom fins. And then a line straight down, or you can curve it just a little bit. There you go. Sometimes add a little fin right here to help this little fish swim along. A little fishy mouth and a little fishy eyeball. What is so fun about drawing aquariums like this is you can draw your fish in all sorts of different shapes, designs, sizes, and when you start coloring, colors. In fact, let me show you how I drew the rest of one of the drawings right now. I'm gonna start with, that tiny little fish. Remember that one? I changed the shape of the fins and the size of the fish. You can also change the shape of the body. Let's make that really tall, skinny fish. We did a tall leaf like this. Whoop. Whoop. So cute. Add some plants and some bubbles, some more fish if you want, and you've got a whole aquarium going on. Now that you've got it all drawn, color it in. I think that you would come up with the most amazing designs for this. I wish that you were sitting right here with me so that I could see right now. Woo! It was super fun playing and drawing and creating with you today. If you want to create more things together, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you